Welcome to the Healthy Screen Habits Podcast. I'm Hillary Wilkinson. Whether you're starting your parenting journey with a newborn or looking to connect with your teen on technology, let's learn some new healthy screen habits together. I'm so glad you've turned in today. We've got a special little wrap up of season 12 episode and some heartfelt thanks, a little bit of fun, and even a challenge for you to try out during your spring break. So let's dive right in. First, I want to take a moment and give a huge shout out and thank you to two amazing women who helped make our recent visit to Indiana such a success. Amanda Grothaus and Emily Klein. They were absolutely essential in coordinating our time there. We could not have done it without them. We were so fortunate to present our 5 core habits to over 1,000 kids in the area. Can you believe it? 1,000 young elementary school and middle school aged kids learning how to balance their screen time, a little bit about neurobiology, and it was a great day. If you're wondering about the adventure part of our visit, we got the full Indiana package and we got to experience a tornado warning while we were there. Basement, sirens, the whole thing. For these California girls, it definitely made things interesting. And, because nothing around us was harmed, it was a great reminder that life always has a little bit of unexpected excitement, but we roll with it. So, now for anyone who's new to the podcast, there's a little background about what we're all about. Healthy Screen Habits was founded by a group of 4 moms. We have 14 kids amongst us. And we believe it's truly imperative to practice what we teach. We're not just talking the talk, we're walking the walk when it comes to managing our own screen habits and helping our families do the same. But we know firsthand how tricky it can be to balance screen time with those real life moments. We're here to support you every step of the way. And it also means that we take breaks when our kids are off of school. So we're going to be taking a little break for the next couple of weeks, and we'll bring us back in for, let's see, the start of season 13. And that episode will drop the last week of April. We'll get a little reminder, and then first week in May. So before we wrap up, I want to leave you, as always, with a little healthy screen habit challenge for your spring break. If you're like us, spring break is a great time to refresh and reset. And why not use this time to do a little digital spring cleaning? So take a look at the apps you've been using. Ask yourself, do I really need all of these? If there are apps you haven't used in months or even years, go ahead and delete them. It's a great way to clear up some space on your home screen, and it clears up space both physically on your device and mentally. And while you're at it, you can organize photos too. Spring break is a great time to revisit some of those photos, memories from the past year. And did you remember that revisiting memories is actually a fantastic way to engage in reminiscence? As it turns out, that reminiscence is one of the best ways to increase language skills with younger kids, strengthen connections, bring up fun memories. So as you go through your photos, talk with your kids about those moments you've captured. You can share the stories and laugh at the memories. And it's a very simple but powerful way to connect and learn together. So as you enjoy your spring break, remember, cherish those old memories, make new ones. And when it comes to your digital habits, it's all about finding that balance. So let's spring clean, reminisce, and make this spring break a great one. We'll see you in a couple of weeks when we return. Until then, thanks again to Amanda and Emily for all their hard work in Jasper, Indiana. And thank you to all of you for tuning in. And we will come back and learn more healthy screen habits together. For more information, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook at Healthy Screen Habits. Make sure to visit our website, healthyscreenhabits.org, where you can subscribe to the show on Apple Podcasts or via RSS, so you'll never miss an episode. It's free, it's fun, and you get a healthy new screen habit each week. While you're at it, if you found value in this show, we'd appreciate you giving us a quick rating. It really does help other people find us and spread the word of healthy screen habits. Or if you'd simply like to tell a friend, we'd love that too. I so appreciate you spending your time with me this week, and I look forward to learning more healthy habits together.